Hello guys, good afternoon. In this video I will try to speak about Twitter, which will be an IPO in next month, November. And it's like Facebook. It's an internet company, and like a social network. And Facebook, it's the same as Facebook, but Twitter will be raising money these 2 weeks from big banks, and then they will sell their shares to big investors before the before the IPO is launched. And for all the public, they will be buying the shares on the first day. They say it could be 15th of November, so we don't know yet if it's 15th or, but it's November, and next November 2013. And the funny thing about Twitter is they don't like to list their IPO in the NASDAQ exchange. Okay, now they see that Facebook has failed because last year Facebook was disastrous. It means the stock opens at $42.05 and it goes to 38 something. So, and then for the coming months it goes until 17.55. So you will see $42 until 17. It's more than 50%. So it is too much money. And the investors who invest in Facebook last year, the beginning, they lost a lot of money. Some they sell, and because they were so scared that Facebook will go down and down and down. They don't know when it will stop going down. So, but some people who are really good investors and they know that the company could make money, so they stay. This is the thing about investing. Investing is when you believe that the company has a potential. Because before they say that if a company has a potential, and when you buy as an investor, it's not when you buy as a trader. Now, Facebook last year, it was disaster for investors, but for traders, what is it? The people who short Facebook 2 or 3 months, they get too much money. Okay, they get too much money. So you see the difference. Some people are crying, like investors who lose money in Facebook. And some other traders or day traders, they short it each day for 2 or 3 months, and they get too much money. You see the difference. Some people are losing money, some people are gaining money. So it depends in which group you belong. Okay, now Twitter is the same. The funny thing is that Twitter, they say last year Facebook, which is like the same, nearly the same thing as Facebook. Okay, so they say if Facebook failed in NASDAQ, which mainly is for technological IPO or something, so we will not do the same. So they want to get listed to the NYSE, which is a New York stock exchange. Okay, so they think maybe this will bring luck to them. And these 2 weeks or 3 weeks they are raising money. And I know from this is what I just see. They say that it means the big banks, they buy almost all the shares and they will sell them to the very large investors and institutions. And then when the IPO is launched, all the other people will buy the shares. They say that they will sell like 70 million shares, okay, and all the other shares will be belonging to big institutions and maybe mutual funds and a lot of big hands that they buy too much, and they will see what this IPO is doing. Okay, so we try to see with Twitter, and they say the ticker will be TWTR. Okay, TWTR for Twitter, and I hope things go well for Twitter, better than Facebook. Facebook is going back and is making some money right now. It's better than last year when they get launched, and I hope that Facebook go higher and higher, and maybe Twitter, maybe it gets a good start with New York Exchange, and hope all the things go. Now for trading and for investing, there is a big difference. Now the people who know a lot about the company, and if this company, if Twitter is going to make money in the future, and because when the company, why we say always, the people who look at fundamentals always look at the money. Is the company making money, yes or no? This is what I want to know. If a company is not making is not making good money, they will be frustrated to buy something that maybe it loses more and more and more money, and it will be a bad investment because they stay with the company many years, decades, or the whole life. Okay, like Warren Buffett, when he most of the time what he bought for himself, he will not sell. Okay, and sometimes he trades for 1 year or two, and he dump some companies. He do this always, and for investors, they look if the company is profitable, yes or no. Okay, that's why last year where Facebook doesn't show a big money. That's why the investors, most of the people they buy, they sell later after the IPO was launched in May 2012, because they see that with the earnings coming, there is no money at all, and they were frustrated. So some of them they sell because they were so scared, because some of them they just buy for not for long until they make good money from the IPO, and they dump it. But Facebook is going back. Now for Twitter, we don't know what will happen. It all depends on the traders on the first day. If there is a good advertisement and the company shows some profit, I guess if it starts good, it will continue good, at least for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 months before the other guys will sell all their shares. Those who just for quick buck, they want to sell their shares. Now if it is the same as Facebook as first year, it will be a total failure. But for me, I don't like the fundamentals. Okay, I don't follow the fundamentals. That's why I should see the chart in order to decide I buy or not, without looking at the company is making money or not. Okay, so for me, the chart, when you see the price tell me everything I need to trade. So I don't need other kind of information. Now this when I speak about Twitter right now, but or Facebook or something in this video, it just I just got it like this, and they've heard, oh, Twitter. So what's going on with Twitter? So I didn't know before that Twitter is in the stock market or no. I have no idea at all, because when I trade what I see. I don't trade things that has not been on the market yet. So always I trade what I see, and sometimes I discover when I search for stocks, I discover stocks that I have never heard of, and sometimes there are big companies, but I don't know the ticker, so I just see the ticker. I don't know the company yet. So when I trade and I see that I make money from this company, and then later I will check, oh, what's this company, and I see why. For me, it's not a fundamental reason. When I buy and I sell stocks, it's not a fundamental. I see only the chart, okay, the candlesticks, the resistance, the support. That's it, what I see. Okay, so for those who like new surprises, so Twitter is here. So prepare yourself for the new surprise. Some people, they gamble and they just buy and they see. Some people, they trade. I know a lot of day traders, they like this new IPO, because at first, the first hours, the price will go up, so people, they buy and they sell. Okay, they just for a quick buck, they want to make some money. And some people, if they see that the new IPO is bombarded with short sellers and people who sell, so they short sell this stock at first, and they just make some money. Okay, so I just to let you know about Twitter. Maybe some people, they know already, some people, they don't know, so I just notice to you. Now, if you have any question or something, please comment or send a private message. Thank you very much.